All right, so this one says, what is the difference between 435 and 148? Difference means to subtract. So we're going to subtract, just like what Aliana had said. Make sure so we have our ones, tens, and our hundreds. All right, so we have 4 hundreds, 3 tens, and 5 ones. So 100, 4 tens, and 8 ones. Let's subtract. You cannot get 8 from 5. If you have 5 things, you cannot get 8 out of it, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to borrow. That leave 2 tens, and this become 15. 8 from 15, leave 7. 4 from 2, we can't. So we have 20, we cannot take 40 out of it, right? Because this is 2 tens, 4 tens. So we're going to borrow 100, and that leave 300. And this becomes 120 or 12. So 4 from 12, leave 8. This one is very similar to the one we just did. 1 from 3, leave 2. So our answer is 287. Make a note of it, please, and I'm going to make you guys try one.
Okay, so we have 100 tens and ones. We have 100 tens and ones. So we have 512. We have 512 minus 256. So the 5 goes under the hundreds place, the 2 goes under the tens place, and the ones go under the zeros place. The ones, sorry.
Oh, all right.
And the 2 goes under the hundreds place. The 5 goes under the tens place, and the 6 goes under the ones place. We can't get 6 out of 1, so we're going to go to the tens place and borrow 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. So we're going to put the 1 up top of the 2 and put the number what we borrowed in front of the number, leaves 11. We can get 6 out of 11, which leaves 5.
Very good. Good job, Kesania, as well. Go ahead.
We can't get 5 out of 1, so we're going to go to 100th place and borrow 1 from the 5. What leaves 4? Bring the 1 over to the 10th place. What leaves 11 again? We're going 5 take away. 11 take away 5 equals 6.
Very good.
4 take away 2 leaves 2.
So that's the answer.
265.
All right. I agree. Good job. You guys did well on this. Good job. All right.
What do you mean?
You guys did well. All right. So we have 1,000 this time, right? So of course we have the 1,000, the 100, tens, and the ones. So 1, 0, 3, 4, and of course 100. So 458. 8 from 4, we can't, so we have to borrow. That leaves 2. This become 14. 8 from 14, leave 6. 5 from 2, we can't. But guess what? We can't borrow 1 from the 0 because the 0 not have none to lend. So what we do? we borrow from this. That leaves 0. This is going to become 10, but we're going to borrow 1 now. So this leaves 9 and then 1. So 5 from 12 leave 7. 4 from 9 leave 5. So it's 576. You guys did well. We're going to do one more, guys, and then we'll move to multiplying by a single digit number. Before that, though, I'm going to show you guys the multiples, how you can do your multiples. So you can actually learn how to multiply. It's very, very easy. Way easier than we think. So we're going to go to that first. But let's do one more subtraction first. So we have 347 subtract 59. Let's put it out. So we have our 100 tens and our ones. So that's 3, 4, 7, and then 5, 9. There's no 100 in this, only 59. 9 from 7, we can't. Alright, so now we have 9 from 17, which leave 8. 5 from 3, we can't, so we borrow, leave 2. So this 5 from 13, leave 8. And of course, there's nothing else, so it's 288. And that's our answer. Alright, so guys, let us get prepared to do the multiplication. Before we can jump into multiplication, we have to understand what is multiplication. Multiplication is just addition. Alright, it's really the shortcut to addition. That's why they say multiplication is just repeat addition. So you add the same number over and over and over. Alright, let me show you an example. So let's clear off everything. That part, let's see if it will. You know why. So let's look at multiplication, and it comes from the word multiple. Multiple comes from the word multiplication. Multiplication. So before we can understand multiplication, we have to understand multiple. Let me show you an example. Let's say we wanted to list the multiples of 2. How do we do that? So we start off with 2, and each time we add 2 to the number, to the result. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Then we'll add 2 again, but this time we're going to add 2 to the 4. So 4 plus 2, 6. And we'll continue just like that. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. So if we wanted to list the multiples of 3, it's the same principle. Let's put it 2 here. So if we wanted to list the multiples of 3, it's the same principle. But this time, instead of adding 2, we're going to keep adding 3. So 3 plus 3, 6. I want you guys to finish it for me. List the first 10. So when you reach to the first 10 of them, just like with the 2, you will finish. Once you can add, you can multiply. So let me see if you can add. Alright, finish it for me. Go straight up to you have 10 numbers. Finish it, guys. Each time you're adding 3 because it's multiples of 3. So when you have 6, you add 3 to 6. That would be 9, right? 6 plus 3, 9. When you get the 9, we're gonna add another 3 to the 9. So it will be 9 plus 3, which is 12. And you're gonna continue like that. Each time you just add in 3 because it's multiples of 3 you want. So that will give you 15. After 15, you add 3 again to give you 18. You add 3 to 18. So each time is the result that you get. The new number you get, you add 3 to that. 21 plus 3, 24. 24 plus 3, 27. And then 27 plus 3. See it? Each time it's just 3 you're adding to get 30. So I'm gonna start 4 again for you, and you guys gonna finish it. Come on, guys, we have to do it. This is how our timetable is made, you know. It's by adding. So if we can't do this, we cannot get rid of multiplication. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Finish it, guys. Alright? On WhatsApp me, please. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So we'll add 4 each time. It's the same number we're adding. So this will be, next number will be 16. We'll add 4 to 16. What is 16 plus 4? 20. Then we'll do the same thing, but this time 20 plus 4. So it's the last number we're adding 4 to. So this gives us 24. And we add 4 again. So 4 plus 4, 8. So that's 28. And you just keep on doing that. And you should have them in the line. Same line. That's how the timetable is formed. And then you add that, give you 32. And then 32 plus 4, 36. And the last one, 36 plus the 4, 40. Alright. So make a note of it, please. And you're gonna complete 5 and 6. Alright, no problem. So you're gonna do 5. Alright, let's see if we can do 5 now, guys. If we do 5 now, we do 6 and 7 for homework. We have 4 minutes. Let's see if we can do it in 4. 5 1 is a very fun one. Let's see. Begin.
Okay.
You can begin, Aliana.
Okay, so our 7 times, so we're gonna add 7.
Come on, 5. Do for 5. We're gonna do 7 for homework. Yeah, 5.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
5. So we're gonna add 5 to 5 leaves 10. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 15 plus 5 equals 20. 20 plus 5 equals 25. 25 plus 5 equals 30. 30 plus 5 equals 35. 35 plus 5 equals 40. And 40 plus 5 equals 45. And 45 plus 5 equals 50.
Yeah. So guys, you're gonna do up to 8 times. So for those who completed 6, we'll just do 7 and 8. For those who have not completed 6 as yet, you can just do 6, 7 and 8. And then next week we will, we'll take it from there. Alright? So we're gonna end now until next week. And guys, I'm gonna post this video right now as we speak. As class finish, I'm gonna post it. The next one I have to edit it because it's a 2-in-1. So someone is gonna split it for me. Alright, so take care until next week.